What's the meaning of cowbell? Cowbell. Cowbell.
Cowbell. Cowbell. Cowbell is a percussion instrument that produces a metallic sound when struck with a drumstick or other hard object. It is typically used in various music genres such as rock, salsa, and African music. The cowbell is a cylindrical metal object with a handle and a small opening on the top. The musician strikes the instrument to produce a distinct bell-like clanging sound. The cowbell is often used to mark the rhythm of a song, adding a distinctive accent and enhancing the overall sound of the music.